Being single is great. It's a time of self-discovery.
So I will play this game.
It's that one time in your life where you can be as selfish as you want. And while I haven't been single in a long time, I'm married. I'm not wearing my ring because we're in quarantine, and why would I? I remember my single days as being one of the most amazing times of my life. And I also fondly remember all the annoying questions I constantly got asked. Here are the most annoying things that single girls are tired of hearing. You don't have a boyfriend pala? First of all, the process of finding a partner isn't a simple task. It's a combination of a lot of factors such as physical attraction, emotional compatibility, and then you have to put your relationship through the testaments of time. It's a lot of work, and it may or may not be something I'm willing to succumb myself to right now. Also, I could be actively searching or dating someone right now, and you just don't know it, or I could just genuinely be happy by myself. Ultimately, my love life is none of your business, and if it was, you would know. Maybe you don't have a boyfriend because you're so picky. Of course I have standards, and there's nothing wrong with that. If I'm looking for a partner that I'm going to be spending a large amount of my time with, I should at least be with someone that I genuinely like. If I know what I can bring to the table in a relationship, it would be nice to know that my partner can do the same. Standards exist because I know my value. How is she gonna get a boyfriend? She's too smart. Exactly. I'm smart enough to know that I'm not gonna waste my time with someone who's not good for me. Why are we so intimidated by smart women? A relationship is a partnership. It's not a scholastic experience. I shouldn't have to lower my standards or dumb myself down just so I can find a partner. The person meant for me will see this thing that you consider my flaw and acknowledge it as my greatest asset. Oh my god, maybe she's a lesbian. Oh my god, anak, are you lesbian? So what? Ganahan kog bilat. Oh my god, Iha, don't do that. Guys don't like girls that drink. Aw, tita, it's so cute of you to think that I came out here looking for a boyfriend. I had a really long day at work and I'm looking for beer. Beer is what I'm looking for, not a boyfriend. Maybe if you lost a little bit of weight. Can you imagine that I actually gained all this weight with all the money I've been making for myself? Amazing, I know. Also, my body weight has nothing to do with my ability to find a partner. I would never want to be with a guy that constantly judged me for the way I looked. Get married, Nada, you're getting old. You guys make it sound like finding a partner is so easy. I'd rather be old, single, and happy than in a dead-end, loveless relationship. Halaka, the clock is ticking. I know, right? Did you get through your midlife crisis yet? Let's be honest, some people don't want to be in a relationship. Some women don't want to get married. And some women actually don't want to have kids. And that's completely fine. There's absolutely nothing wrong with being single, whether it's by chance or by circumstance. I really wish that we would stop pushing the narrative that being in a relationship is going to make a woman's life a whole lot better. Because you and I both know that may or may not actually be true. If you're single, enjoy it. The person meant for you is gonna come into your life when you least expect it. I met my husband at a frisbee game 8 years ago. I came in looking for a hobby and I left with a hubby. In the meantime, focus on improving yourself, reaching your goals, and making the world a better place. And if you ever find yourself on the receiving end of unsolicited advice, you have two options. You can either nod politely, or you can share with them your thoughts, but of course, in a nice way. Or you can also be passive-aggressive and share this post on your wall and then like make padungog to all your family members. In any case, I hope this video helps. I'm Isa Perez, Gandyonko, and thanks for watching Bayhana. If you want to be a part of an amazing community of people that aim to inspire, educate, and empower, make sure that you're a part of the Bayhana community group. We love having discussions because healthy discussions are always welcome discussions. Also, if you want some more of this strong pussy power, make sure to follow me on all my socials. I'm Isa Please. And of course, if you want more videos like this, make sure that you're following By TV and Bayhana on YouTube. I'll catch you guys in the next episode, and don't forget, knowledge is power. Bye!